We have a gentleman right here in front of us who seems to be under the influence of some type of substance. He's dipping out. We're gonna go real slow. What's up, buddy? You all right?
Oh.
You all right, Papa?
Yeah, papi.
You all right, Papa? You all right?
Oh.
You all right, Papa?
Yeah, papi.
All right. Making sure you good. You all right, man? He almost had a heart attack. I woke him up, though.
I'm just a picture in the frame. Pause. I paint word pictures on the canvas of life.
I'm everywhere in public.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's the Resistance Immigration Application Support Center. Let's see if they respect. Keeping them liable.
Well, thought I have a little history with. I came here once before when I first started doing audits. It was actually my first, maybe like second or third audit. They didn't let me in. And I kind of backed out. Oh, everything's closed. I'll step in there with this. Happening.
Appointment? Yes, we were told to have like 15 minutes.
Okay,
earlier.
one at a time. Just let me just.
I'm her interpreter. That's her.
Okay, that's fine. Come on in. No, hold on. Wait until we. How many?
There's 2 appointments and they
Come on.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get some literature, please?
No, we don't do that, buddy.
You don't have no literature for me?
No.
You don't have anything
Like what? Like what are you doing?
to explain what this agency is about? The city.
We do just fingerprinting or just background checks for Homeland Security, okay?
Okay. So there's no literature right there that I
No,
can.
there's nothing. That's just the information papers. Nothing in literature, okay?
The literature isn't for
Can I get some of that literature right there, please? It's for the public, right? That paperwork right there for the public. Yeah, all 3 of those. I need that. That's for the public. I know, but it's for the public, though. I'm part of the public.
Akko, you gotta be here when you have an appointment, buddy.
I know, I just need the literature. That's for the public.
No, go on the website and you get a literature from there, all right? Go to USCIS website and get a literature.
But what's that for right there? Who's that for?
That's not for you.
That's for the public, right?
Yeah, but you're not.
All right, I'm in the public. Let me get that.
You don't get it, buddy. Bye.
Bro, why didn't you get
Come on up here.
Are you denying me public service, sir?
No, I'm not.
Yes, I'm asking for that paperwork that's for the public. I'm part of the public, please.
Come on, guys. Go.
Can I have that public
I'm gonna
paperwork,
call the police
please?
right now, buddy. Okay.
No problem. I just need the paperwork.
I'm gonna call the police.
Let me get the
right now.
paperwork right here.
Just
Can I get? What you doing, bro?
You gotta leave, buddy. All right, man. You gotta leave.
You need to protect those
No,
people's
you're
privacy.
here again, right?
You need
I
to
know
protect.
you.
You need to
I'm gonna-
protect their privacy. You had their information out in the open like that.
I'm gonna call the police, man. Whatever you gotta do, buddy. I know you too, buddy, Habibi, right?
so
You
go
read
ahead.
again, okay?
Go ahead, go call the police.
Come on. Yeah, I will. I will in a minute.
What are you
buddy.
calling the police for? We just want to know what you're gonna call the police
because
for.
You're bothering us, buddy.
Wanna hear bother? See how he sent you here again?
Documents are being passed back and forth. No privacy for these people at all. They're handling important documents in the lobby.
That's what we're looking for. See, that's the first thing they say. We're gonna call the police.
black man with cameras.